So now I'm opening Python IDLE window. So in that, from the shell prompt, I'm opening a new file. So today we are going to see the importance of indentation in Python. So now, in other languages, to mark the block of statements, we may use curly braces. So here in Python, all the block of statement is denoted by using indentation. So now we will see that with an example of an if statement. So if 5 greater than 2 colon. So this is how we will give an if statement in Python. After typing this, if I am giving an enter, it is not going to the first column. So it is going to the fourth column. It is leaving 4 spaces or a tab. It is leaving. So this is called as indentation. So inside this, I am giving a print statement. So print 5 is greater than 2. So this will appear in the output screen if 5 is greater than 2. So if this indentation is not given, it will give an error. So now we will see how to run this and check. So now I am clicking run menu and I am clicking run module option, so which is having a shortcut key F5. So it is asking us to save the program. Now I am going to desktop and I am saving this program under the name indentation. Okay, this is how I have saved, and the output given is 5 is greater than 2. So now we will alter this program. I am not giving any indentation. So just I am typing in the next line from the first column without leaving any space. Now if I give run module, it is giving an error, expected an indented block after if statement on line 1. So this is the error that it will give. So now I am giving a tab character to indent this. Now I will show how indentation should be of same size throughout the whole program. So now I am typing else part for this if statement, else colon, and again I am giving enter. So it is going to this line. Next line, I am printing else 2 is greater than 5. GREAT than 5. Okay, so now you see, if I run this, it is running perfectly and giving the same answer. Here, instead of giving tab character, if I am giving 3 spaces, now see here I have given 3 spaces. For if statement indentation, I have given 4 spaces, which is equivalent to a default tab character. Here I have given 3 spaces. So the spaces are not equal. So indentation is not equal. Again, I am running the program. Now see what happens. It is giving output correctly. Now again, if I am typing a print statement with 4 spaces indentation, so I am giving 4 spaces indentation. Now I am running the program. Now see here, unexpected indentation. So this error will come. So if I give again equal spaces, so that is 4 spaces indentation everywhere or 3 spaces indentation everywhere. Now I am running the program again. So it is running without any error. So this shows the importance of indentation in Python. Thank you.